it will list out like the introduction of it, what ingredients are needed, plus it will tell you the steps. Okay, and now we are going to click run, and then it is going to run the recipe for us. So just like we would do in any normal dish, we gather all the ingredients before we start cooking, right? Because what we don't want to do when the dish starts, we don't want to look for salt and pepper where it is. So what we have done, we have arranged for all those things here. Right, so these are the ingredients which are going to go inside of it. We already looked at the list and then we have it ready. So that is the best practice. Whenever you want to cook a dish, you get the ingredients ready. Okay, now we are going to come, you come on this side. Please come to the back. So you hit run and the recipe will start. Please hit run. Yes, okay. So now it is telling me that attach the multifunction blade. So the blade which is there, I have already attached it to this. So this is a very high quality steel blade. Okay, so I am going to put that. Now it is telling me add 160 grams of whole onions. Where are the onions? Yeah. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Add the whole tomatoes. So we are going to add the tomatoes. So you put this inside here. So put this particular tomato inside here and see what happens. See this? This it made it 85. So we know that we need to reach 160, right? So we'll add one more. Can you add one more? Let her do it. That's good enough. Okay, I can cut it a little bit more, but 160, 170, we can do it this way. Okay, now we are going to add the onion. So can you hit there? There. Yeah, it is going to reset now. Make it 0 grams. Let's add the onion. Okay. Okay. So 170, that's okay. And now we're going to add some ginger. Dipali, where do you put the... you can take a look at these blades, how high quality steel they are. So it calls for 2-3 pieces of ginger. Okay, so I'm just going to add 2-3 pieces from this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. So now, what is it telling me to do? Secure the lid, right? So I'm going to secure the lid. I'm just going to show. Now I'm going to secure the lid.
I think this is perfect for more gas.
Okay, and now I'll just show everybody the same thing is visible here as well.
Oh.
Right, so that way you don't have to like be here. You can see the same thing here. How about we let her press the OK? Let's see what it is. And see, it is going to show like how much seconds are left here, right? So if I'm in the other room or whatever, I can see how much time is. I don't need to be like right in front of it. Plus, I don't need to monitor it, right? Like, hey, what is it doing? Do I need to do something? Etc. So now it is saying scrape the sides with a spatula and move the chopped onions towards the blades and secure the lid. So this is the next step. So I'm going to open this. You are a little bit short in height, so I'm going to do this for you, okay? So I just have to move the ingredients towards the center. Before I do that, I would just invite everybody to just see how nicely it has chopped the onions.
Yeah.
You saw we put in like whole onions and everything, right? Okay, so we're just going to bring everything together in the center. What does it say? Anything else it says after that? And remove the measuring cup. Okay. So I'm going to remove the measuring cup. So this is the beauty of this, one of the features, that this is a cup. It's also a measuring cup. So it has like 100, 50, 10, all those markings on you. So if you have to put something 10 ml, you can just put it like this, just looking at it. Okay, so now it is saying I have to just do this and press OK. So now it is going to cook for 5 minutes. See, you can see the timer which is going on there. And best thing is I don't need to like watch over it.